Now, using Pythagorean theorem, we can harness the power of mathematics to find the sides of a right-angled triangle. However, what if the details of one of the sides are not offered? What if an angle is provided in its place instead? Fortunately for you, mathematics is not going to get compromised so easily. Luckily for us, a solution was found. A great 2,200 years ago, in 180 BCE, Hipparchus noticed that angles make triangles specific. And in the case of similar triangles, where the angles are the same and the sizes are not, he noticed that even though the sizes vary, the ratios between their lines are not altered. This is known as trigonometry. Now, using trigonometry, we can construct identities using just one line and one angle. Trigonometry as a tool is far more potent than the Pythagorean theorem. This means that we can work out things with even less information made available for us. So in your final lesson for the theoretical part, you will discover these identities that engineers use to perfect the tracking of objects in the sky. So join us to uncover the greatest blessing that geometry has to offer, and one of the greatest achievements that the world of mathematics has ever witnessed.